Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chien, and I'm the Chief Data Scientist at SparkAmplify, where we provide intelligently data-driven social proof. Since this is one of the largest startup events here in Taiwan, I'm pretty sure most of you are like me. You know, we have an idea or a product that we just can't wait to share with the rest of the world. However, in reality, it's not only about an idea or a technology. It's about the product launch as well in terms of the execution. And product launch itself can make or break your startup dream. So in terms of a product launch, the goal is obviously trying to drive traffic or trying to obtain new users or customers. And in our interconnected social media-driven world, there's two main methods of obtaining what we consider to be the social proof, which is a key success factor in a successful product launch. And one of the methods is through building Facebook media fan bases, which takes time and is very time consuming. There's another method, which is basically targeting media influencers and helping them letting them share your story, which at the end of the day, it's more effective because people don't like to be told how good your product is, but like to be heard from other people. So this is the portion that SparkAmplify is focusing on and in terms of providing the service. So what's our mission? Our mission is to be able to help campaigners identify their key storytellers, to be able to have that traction, to be able to have that successful product launch. However, in this current time and space, there's a couple of challenges. As a startup, sometimes you don't have the necessary budget, such as a bigger company, to hire, let's say, PR agencies to be able to reach out to some of these media because they cost a lot. The second problem is, even if you do have that kind of budget, it's hard to be able to find the right agencies to work with, because keep in mind, the reason why we are in a startup because our product is so unique, but in a sense of for agencies, they're not used to handling two, new product in a way. And also they're product specific, industry specific, and also they're, a lot of their advantages is based on relationship, which can be obsolete, especially in our ever-changing, fast-paced world. And lastly, some of the current solutions for influencer marketing are only based on providing information, which for a marketer, they need more than information. They need intelligence, telling them when to do what and how. So with SparkAmplify, what we're trying to do is trying to disrupt the traditional PR agency model. And what's our value proposition? Our value proposition is very clear. First, it's a subscription-based model that's not limited by how big or small your budget is. Secondly, we're founded on big data analysis, so we don't have any of those, the traditional constraints that you see with traditional PR agencies. And lastly, because we live in an age of powerful supercomputers, the analysis that we provide are data-driven, and we are able to provide actionable intelligence at the right time based on, the life cycle of the campaign. So how does it work, you might be asking? It's an easy four-step process. First, we learn about your product. We find, your similar products, similar campaigns, and even, competitors of yours. Once we do that, as we all know, media are people. So if it's a people process, there are preferences, there's interest that needs to be learned. So basically what we do is we've applied natural learning processing to learn and see what are some of the stories that are being written by those people, and try to identify the targeted media that's just right for your product. And once the target is generated through our platform, you're able to do the outreach and be able to track the results through our dashboard. And what's unique with SparkAmplify is that not only do we only provide a list, it's actually a learning process where we optimize. Because as we know, the marketing process itself, it is a testing process. So what we do is we apply reinforcement machine learning process to learn what works, okay, and what doesn't work, and give you more of what works. And that's essentially what marketers want. So what's our business model? We focus on three categories of users. And currently we have representative of customers in each of these categories. First, campaigners that are looking for affordable solution, then enterprise that are looking to scale, and also for agencies providing them as data as a service. And why is right now the right time? Because ads is not working for us. And so marketers need a better way to be able to target their most important early adopter and users. So this is our current progress. Right now we're monitoring over 100,000 campaigns, and we have over 240,000 target influencers already in our database. These are some of the events that we've attended so far in Silicon Valley, as well as in LA, as well as here in Asia, in Hong Kong. And just a final thought. We're very proud that SparkAmplify, we always say SparkAmplify is designed by campaigners and for campaigners. So we were campaigners at the beginning, so we understand what are some of the pain points and some of the issues that campaigners go through. So with SparkAmplify, we are a campaigner's best friend. And those are some of the successful products that have gone through this process. And if you are a maker or a startup or even a VC that are looking for a go-to USA strategy, SparkAmplify may be your solution. Thank you very much.